In this video, I'm sharing how I use Notion to manage and organize my finances, whether it's budgeting, tracking spending, or setting saving goals. If you're looking to take control of your money, this video is for you. Keeping track of your finances is key to avoiding stress and feeling more in control. When you know where your money is going, you can save for important things, handle unexpected expenses, and make better choices for your future. Good money management isn't just about paying the bills, it's about setting yourself up to reach your goals and live the life you want. Taking care of your finances is the first step to achieving financial freedom. Notion is the best tool for financial management because it's incredibly flexible and customizable. You can create tailored budget, track expenses, set financial goals, and manage investment all in one place. Notion lets you design your own system to fit your unique needs, whether you want a simple tracker or a detailed financial dashboard. It's easy to organize everything with features like databases, templates, charts, and linked pages that help you stay organized and makes managing your money a lot less stressful. Budgeting is the foundation of effective financial management. It helps me plan where my money goes, ensuring I have enough for my needs while also setting aside funds for future goals. In this section, I'll explain how I create a budget in Notion and the categories I use to stay on track. First, I make a list of all the categories in Notion, including income, expenses, and savings. Each month, I create and plan my budget so that every expense is planned for. For expenses, I budget for essentials like rent and utilities, which include internet, water, electricity, and any apartment fees. I also allocate funds for transportation, groceries, and dining out. Other key expense categories include health, credit card payments, loan repayments, and subscriptions. I also set a budget for shopping, beauty, and personal care, which is crucial for me because I tend to overspend in these areas. Additionally, I budget for home-related expenses and miscellaneous costs. Beyond the expenses, I also allocate a portion of my income towards savings, an emergency fund, and a sinking fund for future expenses. These categories help ensure that I'm not only covering my current needs, but also preparing for unexpected costs and future financial goals. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and lose track of your finances. A budget acts as a roadmap, guiding your spending and helping you stay focused on your financial goals. Creating a budget is just the first step. The next crucial part is tracking your spending to ensure you stick to it. This is where Notion really shines as a financial management tool. I record everything I spend money on, from bills, groceries, and transportation to smaller expenses like bank admin fees, transfer fees, and tips. Tracking every transaction helps me stay aware of my spending habits and make adjustments if needed. One of the reasons I love using Notion for this is its ability to link transactions to specific accounts and categories. This means I can easily see how much I've spent in each category, like groceries or shopping, and monitor my account balances in real time. By organizing my expenses this way, I can quickly spot areas where I might be overspending and make necessary changes to stay on budget. When you track your spending, you start to notice patterns in your habits, like how much you spend on eating out or impulse purchases. This awareness made possible by the detailed tracking in Notion. Understanding your spending habits gives you a clear picture of your overall financial health. It puts you in a better position to make informed decisions and set realistic financial goals. With this knowledge, you can take control of your money and start working towards financial freedom. Once you have a clear understanding of your spending patterns, the next step is to set saving goals that align with your financial priorities. Notion makes it easy to create and track these goals, helping you stay motivated and on target. To set saving goals in Notion, I start by identifying what I'm saving for, whether it's an emergency fund, a big purchase, or a long-term investment. I then create specific goals in Notion, each with its own dedicated section. I set a target amount and a timeline for achieving it. I also break down my larger goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. This helps me stay motivated as I can celebrate each small victory along the way. By setting clear saving goals and regularly tracking my progress, I can make sure I'm steadily working toward my financial dreams. Tracking your spending is only the first step in building a healthy financial life. You need to create a budget and set financial goals. Investing and saving for retirement are also crucial financial components that should not be overlooked. These steps may feel overwhelming at first, but with a bit of focus and discipline, you can achieve your financial goals and live a more stable and prosperous life. The bottom line is that learning how to track your spending is a simple but powerful tool that can help you gain control over your finances. With the right tools and mindset, you can create a clearer picture of your spending habits, identify areas of overspending, and set actionable financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you're managing your finances and if you're using Notion for it too.